Do you know how the Germans transport large items? The 35-meter-long hydraulic tank is a big one. If you use a regular truck to transport it, it could flip over any minute. Once the truck flips, there's a risk of explosion at any moment. Of course, for German machinery, transporting a large object like this is a piece of cake. This machinery is the vehicle used by the Germans to transport large items, called a modular flatbed truck. They say it's currently the strongest land transport tool. Not only can it haul a hydraulic tank, but even an aircraft carrier. Modular flatbed trucks don't have many wheels, with the fewest being dozens and the most being 1152. These wheels can rotate 360 degrees and also have shock absorption. Driving on bumpy roads is as stable as China's high-speed rail. During the transport of the hydraulic tank, the flatbed truck can only travel at a speed palpable to the naked eye. Several staff members follow the load and observe the road conditions. Such a mode of transport is rarely seen on the road. Seeing them makes your heart race. Besides transporting hydraulic tanks, Germany also often transports wind turbine blades. The wind turbines we usually see are small, but they're actually quite large. Just a single blade for a 6-megawatt wind turbine alone weighs 70 tons. Transporting such a heavy blade from the factory to the mountains is not an easy task. Fortunately, Germany has flatbed trucks and the axles are not restricted by sections. When turning, the rear axle remains stationary. The front axle goes first and then the rear axle turns to avoid mishaps. Germany is an industrial powerhouse, but people still make mistakes. Even though the Germans are careful, there are times when they flip over. Germany was transporting a hydraulic tank to Denmark. An accident happened while turning. The hydraulic tank tilted, plunging headfirst into the farm field. Luckily, no cars were passing by. Germany immediately sent several cranes and 9 days later they reinstalled the hydraulic tank on the truck. Germany proved its efficiency, living up to its reputation.